What's going on YouTube? Black Prince the Barber. Check this out, man. Look, I got a free clipper giveaway. If you're a loyal subscriber, man, and you stay subscribed to my channel, watch my content, you might have a chance of winning some clippers, man. The clippers are Babyliss FX1s. So watch my content, you might be the next winner. Let's get it. What in the world? An ant pile? It's hard. Pause on it. Yeah, YouTube, like I said, man, there will be a clipper giveaway. Y'all stay tuned, y'all stay subscribed to my channel, and we're gonna just do it like that, man, because you know what I'm saying, I'm be putting out good content every day. I mean, not every other day. Well, depending on, you know, the situation. But yeah.
Hey, tell them boys quit playing with me, man. Tell them boys quit playing with me. You already know, man. Black Prince, man. Real talk, man. Go follow my nigga, Real Talk.